Okay, we are going to start with your IELTS speaking test. This is speaking part 1. You are going to answer a number of different questions. Yeah.
Do you have a lot of furniture in your home?
Yes, I have a lot of furnitures
Okay, one
in
thing
my
I tell
home.
you. Whenever they say, do you have a lot of furniture in your home? You should start your answer, yes, I do. And then you can further elaborate. Do you go for outing? Yes, I do. Do
Yes,
you?
I
Yeah. So first say do. Yes, I do, and then you can elaborate further. So, do you have a lot of furniture in your home?
yes, I do have a lot of furnitures in my home.
When we
Like
say yes, I do, then you will not say have. Yes, I do.
yes, I do.
Because in my house we've got 5 rooms and all 5 rooms are loaded with furniture, and we've got a great variety. For example, in my bedroom we have Spanish furniture. In my father's room we have Italian furniture, and my little sister, she's got American furniture in her room. So to answer your question, there's a great deal of furniture in my house. Italian, French, German and all that. Okay, just go on. Yeah. Yes, please.
Is there anyone who bought furniture for you?
Yes, my mother was bought bed for me, and I think it's made in Italian.
Yeah, it's made in Italy.
Yes, made in Italy.
Okay, listen, the question is there anyone who bought furniture? So you can say, well, it is my father's responsibility to buy furniture. All the furniture that we have in our house, that has been bought by my father, and he loves buying new furniture a lot. So to answer your question, my father is behind every piece of furniture in my house. Just like this, okay? Don't worry, gradually you'll be fine.
Yes.
One more question.
What kind of furniture would you like to buy?
I want to buy kalamkar furniture
Why?
because it's looks so luxury.
It looks luxurious.
Luxurious,
Luxurious.
and
Okay,
I have
so the first thing is be confident. The second thing is ये थोड़ा सा जो शर्म महसूस हो रही है, झिझक है, try to control that as well. And the next thing is you should have proper content for each answer. Knowledge. Without knowledge, your English will fail.
Yes.
And only English without proper content, again, it's not going to be good. So try to go through these topics and come up with ideas. Right? Thank you.